the happiest time of the year again. It is sale, winter's sale. If you've been a long time rider with me, you know that I go to the winter sale every year, twice a year, and it is my favorite sale of the damn year because it's the best. It's literally the best one. Anywho, let's just hop into this damn thing. It's your girl Reese. Welcome back. I went shopping. I'm going to show you all the things I bought. Yay! Okay, so quick rundown. Winter sale, for you guys that don't know, is Winners, first of all, is like a TJ Maxx, Marshalls, TK Maxx if you're in Europe. London, I know for sure. But in Canada, it's Winners and Marshalls. Yeah, I think that's it. And they bring in their runway curated pieces, and twice a year. Well, they bring them out throughout the year, but they have a big event twice a year, and the markdowns are absurd. Like, some of them are okay, but some of them are insanity. And so I'm gonna post some of the things that I saw. I'm gonna show you the things that I bought. I got things that I really, really love. Anywho, let's just hop into the damn thing because I keep talking. So, the first thing I got, and I really went to the sale to find boots, but I didn't find any boots. So these are shoes. They're kind of shorter heel, so I don't know. The more I wear them in the house, the more I love them, so I don't think I'm gonna return them. But yeah, first thing I got is a pair of Nicholas Kirkwood mules. They're called Bea mules, and they came in silver. So this came with the box, and now shopping winter sale, sometimes you don't get boxes and dust bags and all that fun stuff, but most of the things I do get do have all that fun stuff. So this came with the box, and it also came with a dust bag, and it did not come with any tissue paper or anything. But these are the shoes! And like I said, like, they're not crazy special. They're just kind of like something I'd wear to work or something I'd wear with like a pair of jeans. These are still on a lot of sites that I checked out, like Essence, they're on, but on Essence they only come in white and black, I think. They retail for $865. This is Canadian, and I got them for $272. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, I think. But I don't know if I love them, but like I said, the more I wear them, the more I like them, so I might keep them. You have 30 days to return stuff at winter sale, so just so you know. I expect to see all of you guys in the line at winter's next sale. Up next, after, I forgot I got these. So I got a pair of sunglasses. So this came with the box, like the paper box, cardboard, and it came with the case and all the glass cleaner, and I don't know what this stuff is. Anywho's, and then a authentication card. Legit. Christian Dior. These are my new sites. Wow, you guys can see the mess that is my place through this. Let's not do that. Ha! Okay, yeah, anyways, this is what they look like. This is what they look like on. Oh my god, this is exposing the shit out of me. This is a mess. This is my office. This is my living room. It's also my home office because Daryl's in the office. Okay, so these are cute. I like these. These were $100, but on Holt Renfrew they are going for $525. Damn, I mean, like, if I didn't like them, I'm just gonna keep them for the sake of, I save $400. Yeah, so that's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Okay, so next up, I got some clothes. I got 2 pieces of clothing. So I really love trousers. If you have been around, you know this girl really likes pants. So I bought these really neat black trousers. They're like wide leg, they kind of taper at the bottom, and then they have this like beautiful detailing. Okay, let's not show you the one with the tag. Useless. Beautiful detail, like button detailing there. But these are, wow, I'm losing it. These are Emporio Armani pants, and actually I looked them up because I was trying to find their original price, but these are runway 2017. So, I mean, this was from a long time ago, and I got these for $129, and I couldn't find a retail price, but honestly, $129 for a pair of pants, like good pants, is pretty good, regardless of what brand they are, so I'll take it. Okay, next up, I love this because it's such a trend right now. Everywhere I go, I was in Simon's today and I saw this trend. I was on Mango last week and I saw a sweater, jumper, whatever you call it, in this pattern. And then I got this beautiful zebra. It's kind of a crop. Maybe not quite a crop, but it's like a shorter torso top, and it has a longer sleeve, so it goes like into like my hand like that, which I love. Beautiful, beautiful sweater by Proenza. Yep, Proenza. I love Proenza clothes. I love Proenza shoes and bags, and just give me all the Proenza. This is a beauty. I'm obsessed. It's friggin' amazing. Anyways, this. Why? Anyways, this retails for, wow, $1,000, $1,055, and I got it for $200, so $199. That's a pretty good deal, man. And I honestly think these would look amazing with some like long leather shorts, like right above your knee, wide leather shorts that I've been seeing. I just don't own a pair yet. I am on the hunt, so if you know where, please tell me where below in the comments, because a girl needs them to wear with her zebra sweater. So up next, I got a handbag, and full disclosure, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I've been wanting this handbag for a while since it came out. I thought it was really cute, and it had like the cool colors. There was a white, blue, and black one that I wanted, and then there was a black one with like the cool Balenciaga all over it. So as you know, it's a Balenciaga bag. And it came in a bunch of sizes, and I really, really wanted the small one, and I wanted the humongous one, but I didn't end up getting it. But I saw it at the sale, so I bought it. But I got it in all black, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I have a tote, a Givenchy tote that I wear almost every single day to work that kind of resembles it. It's actually bigger, so I don't know if I want this. But yeah, this is it. This is the Balenciaga Bazaar Shopper in the size small. And like I said earlier, when you shop winter sale, you might not be able to get it with all of the fun box and the dust bags. This actually doesn't come with the dust bag, and shockingly enough, first bag that I've gotten from winter sale without the dust bag. But it does come with the authentication stuff. Plain black bag with silver hardware. It's really big. The thing I do really, really like about it, that's different from my Givenchy tote, is that it does have the zipper, so that's safety. And Daryl's always yelling at me about zipping up my bag, and most of my bags don't have zip tops, so because he's like paranoid, people are gonna pickpocket you, and probably true. And then it also has the straps, so you can wear it, and it's pretty big. Like, it is pretty damn huge on the inside. So you know, I like my big bags. I like my bags big, so I might keep it, I might return it. I don't know, I have 30 days to think about it, so I'll let you guys know, or we'll see. So this, I got this for $1,300, and the retail price in Canadian is $2,100 in this size. So not like a huge savings, but a savings nonetheless. So yeah, $1,300 for a Balenciaga bag. That's bad. Okay, and my last piece I got was amazing. Amazing. I went to winter sale, and I was leaving, and like the ladies were crazy grabbing, not even ladies, there was men there, hype beast men there, buying up everything, all the fanny packs, all the mini backpacks. I'm probably reselling them, but everyone was snatching up everything, and I didn't see anything that really caught my eye. Like, on my designer wish list, bag wise, really 2 bags. The DIOR book tote, which I'm really on the fence about because you can't put it over your shoulder, and I'm a tote girl who needs to be able to carry it more than one way. And 2, a Birkin bag, which I'm working on. So as I was going to the cash with the rest of my stuff, which did not include the bag, I saw this hat, It was under the table, but it's red, so you can't miss it. And it was sitting on top of a big black box. So I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. And I'm not really a hat girl. Like, I'm slowly becoming a hat girl. Like, I wear beanies or toques, whichever country you're from, in the winter time. And then I wear your straw hats here and there in the summertime. And I have a couple, like, felt fedora. Is that what they're called? I don't know. But I have a couple of those, but I don't wear them too often. Like, I have a big head, so I really have to be choosy on what kind of hat I wear. And it is a humongous Saint Laurent box for this beautiful hat. And this is probably like the best deal I got because I'm pretty sure they marked it wrong. Pretty sure. Because being me, being super Asian, once I leave a sale, I need to find out how much money I actually saved on these things. So I went home and immediately Googled the price of this. But this hat is still on the website, and its retail price in Canadian is $2,333. A hat? Like, I don't wear hats enough to be spending that much money. Like Serge Ibaka would buy a hat for that much money. And I'm friggin' Serge Ibaka in this hat, guys. Okay, put my hair back. This is my beloved hat. And this is, I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. Low bun. I'm friggin' Serge Ibaka in my Saint Laurent frickin' hat. Now, full disclosure, don't really know how I'm gonna style this yet because it's red. Okay, I'm wearing it backwards, but whatever. You get the picture. It's red and it has a gold chain on it. I mean, I wear gold accessories, but it's a red hat. It's not like it's black and easy. It's red. It's bright red. But I'll make it happen. I will style the shit out of this hat. The most amazing part about this, even if I'm like, and I'm not a big hat person, even if I never wore hats, I had to buy this because you could just resell it since it's on the website for $2,000. Let me just show you. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh my god. Okay. Let me just show you how much I got this hat for, and I have to show you like the price again. I'm pretty damn sure they priced it incorrectly, but whatever. Like, that means I win, and I'm okay with that. This is the price of the hat. I got it for $100 frickin', and you see it's like YSL. It's not like they just printed it wrong. It had to be YSL up here, and $100. The hat was $2,000 and I got it for $100. Like, that's what I'm saying. If I don't even like hats, it's a $2,000 hat. Like, the resale, I can sell it for $200. What? I got a YSL hat for $100, guys. Sorry, winners. You really dropped the ball here, and I picked the ball up. But yes, I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear it. I love it. I messaged all my friends who love hats, and I'm like, guys, I got a YSL hat for $100. They were all very jealous. Sorry guys, love you guys. Anyways, so that's the end of my sale haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the stuff I got. I will see you guys next time for our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me about all the sale stuff that you guys have gotten in your life, because I love sale. I'm super Asian. I love sale. See you guys. Bye.